A football is a small round ball. But hidden inside this ball are the emotions, excitement, and dreams of millions of people. From massive World Cup stadiums to small village fields, football represents joy, competition, and passion everywhere. But have you ever wondered how a football is made? How do ordinary raw materials gradually transform into a perfect football? In today's documentary, we will explore how modern technology and the hard work of skilled workers come together in factories to produce world class footballs. The journey begins with the selection of raw materials. One of the most important factors in making a quality football is its outer cover and inner layers. The outer surface is usually made from synthetic leather, PU polyurethane, or PVC polyvinyl chloride. These materials make the ball durable, strong, and water resistant. Large rolls of synthetic sheets are first delivered to the factory. Using highly precise machines, these sheets are cut into specific shapes. The pentagonal and hexagonal patterns you see on a football are created from these cut pieces. Next comes the cutting process. Special die cutting machines are used to cut each panel with perfect accuracy. A standard football typically consists of 32 panels, 12 pentagons and 20 hexagons. This design gives the ball its spherical shape and balance. Every panel is manufactured to the exact same size to ensure consistent weight, speed, and control. After the panels are cut, the digital printing stage begins. Different colors, logos, and branding elements are added to the football. Modern heat press and screen printing technologies ensure that every design is applied perfectly. This step not only enhances the appearance of the ball but also establishes its identity and brand value. One of the most important and time-consuming stages of football production is stitching. Even today, many major football factories around the world rely on hand stitching because hand-stitched footballs are often more durable and stronger. Skilled workers carefully join each panel together using strong threads. The stitching is done from the inside so that no seams are visible on the outside. Completing a single football can take considerable time and requires exceptional craftsmanship and experience. Inside every football is a rubber bladder, also known as an air chamber. This component holds the air that keeps the ball inflated. Bladders are typically made from latex or butyl rubber. Once the bladder is inserted, the ball structure is gradually completed and inflated to achieve its basic shape. The football then undergoes heating and molding processes. Heat and pressure are applied to ensure that all parts fit together securely. This makes the ball stronger and helps achieve a perfectly round shape. This stage is extremely important because a football's balance and flight characteristics depend heavily on its shape. However, the manufacturing process does not end there. Every football must pass strict quality control tests before reaching the market. Factories check whether the ball retains air properly, has the correct weight, bounces consistently, and maintains its shape even after powerful impacts. Some footballs are tested by machines that strike them thousands of times to ensure long-lasting performance and durability. After passing all quality inspections, the footballs are cleaned and given their final finishing touches. Each ball is then inflated, carefully packaged, and prepared for shipment. Eventually, these footballs reach different countries around the world, finding their way into stadiums, sports stores, and the hands of millions of football lovers. A football is more than just a piece of sports equipment. It is a symbol of dreams, passion, and happiness. Through the dedication of hundreds of workers, advanced technology, and precise planning, this small round ball comes to life. One day, it may help fulfill a child's dream or become part of a historic international match. The story behind a football is truly fascinating and inspiring. If you enjoyed this documentary, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing documentaries. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.